Macaroni and cheese has a little sauce, and I love soaking it up with my fried chicken. I started that pasta into boiling salted water. This is just a pound of shell pasta. I love the shells because they have a really wide opening and they're gonna catch all of my cheese. This is gonna cook for about 9 minutes until it's al dente. While that is cooking, let's talk cheese sauce. When you're talking about cheesy sauce, we are talking about a roux. 2 tablespoons of coconut oil into the pan, and also pairs really, really well with the cheeses we're using today, and equal parts flour. This is gonna ensure that my cheese sauce doesn't separate. 2 tablespoons of flour in. That guy is gonna brown. For every 1 tablespoon of oil and flour that you use in a roux, it will thicken 1 cup of a liquid. Today, my liquid is almond milk. Now you're thinking, almond milk, Damaris, what are you talking about? Almond milk isn't going in macaroni and cheese, but for me, it is perfect because it adds a really nice nuttiness that you don't find in regular milk. Just make sure you use unsweetened almond milk. Stir the whole time or else you're gonna end up with lumps. And lumps is not what you're looking for. You're looking for something smooth and silky. A wide mouth pot is gonna allow the sauce to come up quicker, and you're gonna end up with a cheese sauce in a minute. So, next time you think you don't have time to make macaroni and cheese from scratch, you think of this. Whisk, whisk, whisk. No lumps, no lumps. I need this guy to come up to a simmer. Once he's simmering, all of the flour will start to thicken that liquid. Before that happens, I have to grab a couple of other flavor elements that are really gonna make this guy sing. Ground mustard adds a little bit of heat and a nice zip, 1/4 teaspoon, and then a 1/2 teaspoon of white pepper. If you don't have white pepper, you can use black pepper. I just like white pepper because you don't get the flakes. Give that all a whisk. So you're gonna go crazy once you see the 3 cheese blend that I'm adding. Each of these cheeses is gonna add something spectacular to my cheese sauce. Cream cheese is the mightiest. It makes your cheese sauce indestructible and coats your noodles in such a way that it's delicious hot and cold. In with your cream cheese. Let's go white American. White American is so creamy and salty and lovely. If you cannot find a block of it to grate, just get slices. They rip up just the same. And the last one is my cheddar cheese. I really want that bright zip that cheddar cheese adds. So, 8 ounces cream cheese, 8 ounces of white cheddar, 8 ounces of white American. Give this guy a little stir until all that cheese melts and binds with my almond milk and coconut flavor. Oh, look at how thick and creamy this is. I'm dying over here. The cheese sauce is ready, except for one thing. I finished my cheese sauce with wine, 2 ounces of white wine. The wine is gonna really brighten this, add a sophisticated note, but also a little zip. I added at the end because any sort of acid inhibits the thickening of flour, but also because if you put it in earlier, all that beautiful wine flavor would cook away. Now, if you want no wine at all, just put in a little bit of lemon zest and you'll get the same flavor elements. That guy is ready to go. I'm putting the noodles into my white, delicious, creamy cheese sauce. Look at how thick that sauce is. It's coating everything. Oh my gosh, look at this. Come on, let's try this little guy. And the almond milk is so surprisingly nutty, and that wine right at the end is all zippy.